Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is, how do you restore a company file from a backup copy? One, choose file backup the client. The restore from the backup button. To choose the file, utilize the file operations. Restore. 3, choose file open or restore company. Select restore a backup copy and click next. Choose locals or online backups and click next. Select the file now to restore and the click open. Choose where to restore the file to and click save. For click the restores icons and home page, click the next option. The correct answer of the question is choose file open or restores company. Select restore a backups copy and click next. Choose local or online backup, click next. Select the file to restore and click open. Choose where to restore the files to and click save. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye.